In the previous lesson, we have talked about the database relationships. In this one, we will talk about Django model relationships. Just like the database, Django also supports three different types of model relationships: one-to-one, many-to-one, and many-to-many. In this lesson, we will talk about the one-to-one model relation. But before that, let's create a new application. So here we have created a new application called DJ model. And now inside the models.py, we will start with our new classes. So for the one-to-one relation example, we are going to create two new classes called address and zip. So here we have added two new classes, class zip and class address. So inside the zip class, there is only one field, code. And inside the class address, we are having three different fields: city, country, and zip code. The last one, zip code, is a one-to-one field which is related to the class zip. Now let's create the migrations. But before that, we need to add this new applications DJ model config class inside our installed apps section settings.py. So here, let's add DJ models .apps.dj model config. So this is referring to this class. Now let's save this file and we will run our make migrations command. So here you can see our new migrations are ready for zip and address. Along with that, our e-commerce migration files are also added. Now let's check the migrations, and here you can see this folder contains only these two classes. So now let's migrate the database. Our database is migrated successfully. Now we will run the Python shell. So the first thing that we are doing inside our shell is we are importing address and zip class from djmodel.models. Now let's create our first zip. So here you can see the first thing I have done here is z1 is equals to zip bracket open. We have placed the value for code, and then we have executed the sev method. And now when we execute the all method, we can see there is one zip object available right now in the database. Now let's move ahead and create a new address. And here for the address, we have placed the value for city, country, and zip code. For the zip code value, we have placed z1. So this is the value for z1. z1 is an object of type zip. Now let's try to fetch the zip code by using the address a1. Here you can see we can just write a1.zipcode.code, which is fetching the code for a specific zip file by using the address and address zip code. So this is how we can use the one-to-one field by using Django models.